Hi everyone, it's Jean from Decorate for the Culture, and today we are discussing a studio light box. It's basically a cube that you can take really good photos and close-ups of your merchandise or even food. Let's take a closer look. Here I am unboxing it. It's nice and thin, and it has a mesh for everything you need to travel with. Make sure you have enough space when you are unboxing. I was opening it in my home office, and fortunately I have an adjustable standing desk that helped with the process. This is the manual that it brings, and its official name is a LED portable photo studio, and it's by the brand Puluz. It brings the light switch, so how bright do you want the image? It's controlled by here. You can see that. A plug, and a little mini tripod along with the holder. What's nice about this portable photo studio is that it brings different colors for your backdrops. So of course, you have white with the bright color, but you also have these as well. So this is like another nice neutral. It has a little shimmer. I do a close-up if you guys can appreciate the shimmer. And each color, each backdrop has velcro to stick on the portable cube. Black, and these three neutral colors are all like shiny and more of a hard plastic. You have this nice green, but this is more like a fabric, so it is a different texture. And of course, a lot more bendable. And there's red and a nice blue. So those are your colors. There are 6 in total. 3 fabric and 3 of a harder plastic. So here's a close-up of the studio light box with the flap open. Looks like it closed. And the whole cube is held up by Velcro on the corners. That's Velcro, so make sure you close that tightly. Over here, more Velcro. You can see that I chose the blue background. When we look inside, the sides are metallic, which is what helps for the reflection. Same thing with the other side. And the top is where you turn on the light. I was doing this fairly quickly, but you can see that it's not smooth. And of course that will show in your picture. Here I am fixing the more fabric-like backdrop. And since recording this, I have used a harder plastic and definitely prefer it because it is smoother and a lot easier to attach. Now, in order to turn it on, it's on the top, which also has another opening. This opening allows you to move the light around if you don't want it exactly in the corners. Here are our plugs. We're going to plug in the lights. The plug is a regular plug. It is not a USB, so make sure you have an outlet or extension nearby. And just by setting it up, you can tell that it is very bright in there. And depending on the angle you take the picture and how much light you let in. And these are the lights that you can move around with that opening that I previously mentioned. So Amazon has this listed as $114.99, and I bought it during Amazon Prime Day for less than $83, and I think it was definitely worth it. This is the big cube. It is 24 by 24 inches, so that's relatively large, but on the same token, it collapses, so it's easy to store. As you saw me unboxing it, it is flat. You can truly put it behind anywhere. And if you want to take more photos, I know I was showing you this and you saw the example of the really quick picture I took of a wine glass with my decal on it, and I wasn't trying. I didn't put any extra filters. I just took the picture. So of course it also depends on what camera you're using, etc., etc. And here, if you want more room to take your picture, you can take down this whole flap and really get in there to take the picture. So what I really like about this is how versatile it is and how compact it is. I don't need more things that take up room, and neither do you. So I think it's a good buy. I haven't even continued playing with it. If I'm not mistaken, you can move around the lights, and that's important. If you move the cube over, the light doesn't have to be coming from above. It can be coming from the sides. So you can really play with this and get different shots of what you're looking for. So good value for Amazon Prime Day. I bought it for less than $83, and it was originally $114.99. And I like that it brings different colors. I have seen on Michaels and different studio boxes like this that there's different textures. So whether it's wood or like a tile backsplash, I do want to look into doing that as well, because I think that would look awesome for some photos, for some of your shots. So hopefully this review was helpful and you'll make a more educated decision, a wiser decision on your purchase. Thank you. So hit the like button, share, subscribe. I enjoy doing reviews because I look at reviews before I make a purchase. And I also have a party supplies brand that I have started for more diverse supplies. So decorate for the culture. I'm out there. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.